Just some of the parts.
Just some parts. Soy sauce.
Okay, buddy. Time to land down. Oh, whoa.
One cup.
1 cup of soy sauce. For these 2 chicken, this
Yep,
big
half a
chicken.
cup per chicken.
Okay, Daddy, you do good job already. Thank you.
It's like so.
Big chicken.
It's like the skin is gonna fall out. The whole skin.
And then no sound, no sound. Soy sauce 1 cup.
Kind of smells like fish.
Lime juice and
More lime.
1/4 cup.
I want to squeeze some lime.
Okay, squeeze them.
Okay.
Are you finished? Are you washing hand? Did you wash your hand?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
1 cup brown sugar.
Brown sugar, 1/2 cup.
1 cup.
1 cup. For every 1 big chicken.
1/2 cup per chicken.
Good job, now, guys.
Okay. I
You
think
good job.
that one is done. Okay.
Quarter cup lemon juice.
And no seeds.
Yeah.
We should actually take off all the seeds first and now pour the whole thing in. So it's actually more easier.
Brown sugar. It's good.
Yeah.
Please. Thank you.
Whoa, that's a lot of sugar right there.
Stir it. We stir.
Yeah, I want to help you steer. Steve. I'll stir it with a spoon.
No.
No, thank you. You will spill
Stir
everywhere.
it with this. Okay. So, you do
You want
that
to stir a little
Yeah.
bit, little time?
very slow.
Circle,
So you
circle.
Spill it.
Yeah. The circle. All right, good help. She like to cook too. Okay. What's that?
2 tablespoons minced garlic.
Minced garlic. 2 tablespoons. Because don't drop. Okay.
And now mix it.
Circle.
And probably your adult should help you. Kind of. It's kind of wobbly. Ooh.
2 teaspoons of salt.
2 teaspoons of salt.
Okay.
Stir, girl. You're a good helper. You love chicken barbecue?
Yeah.
If daddy cook it?
2 teaspoons black pepper.
Well, actually, why I help people because helping people is kind of fun, and helping it might have new stuff to help with.
Okay. Oh, stir a little bit. Sprite.
Again.
We forgot the Sprite and dishwashing liquid in the grocery. Filipino food made by American. And daughter Mary Grace.
Okay.
Now pour the whole thing in here.
Yep, pour it onto the chicken.
Okay, I want to help you too.
Nice feel.
Nah.
You just,
Oh.
wow, looks good and tasty. Oh, it looks yummy.
Wait, I want to start with my hands too.
You need to wash your hands
Too.
after that.
Okay.
And don't splash everywhere.
You're gonna put the garlic all in the surface area. because I like my chicken really garlicky.
Yeah. You can put Sprite, but we forgot the Sprite was the store. And then do overnight. Marinate it for overnight.
Okay.
All right. Looks good.
And you can put chilies.
Yeah, you can put chili if you want a little hot.
Spicy.
Yeah.
I like my chicken's a little spicy.
Or
Spicy?
you could put it in the dipping sauce.
Yes.
Mm.
So overnight, marinate for overnight, turn over.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Turn over so that the other side will get marinated too. Oh yeah, it looks ready for tomorrow dinner. Thank you, Daddy.